Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. In today's digital age, integrating multimedia contents like audio and video into web pages is essential for engaging users' experiences. In this video, we will dive into audio and video tags, exploring their features and how to use them effectively in HTML. Let's start with HTML audio tag. Audio tag is represented as audio and slash audio. It is a paired tag. This allows us to embed audio content directly into our web pages. Following attributes can be included. We can specify the audio source using src attribute and include optimal attributes like controls to provide playback controls, autoplay to start playback immediate automatically, and loop to loop the audio. Here is the example: audio src equal to music.mp3 controls autoplay. Here in src, make sure the music file you are giving is available in the same folder. If not, provide the complete path where the file is available. MP3, WAV, OGG formats are supported in the audio source file. The Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Opera browsers are supported. Let's see an example. Open the editor. Have the basic structure of your HTML document. Now, in the body tag, add audio, opening tag and audio closing tag. Add the attributes src with the music file as the value control as the value. Controls to have controls. Now save your file and open the file in the browser. You can see our audio file is added to the page with an icon of play button and a volume increase or decrease bar. If you click on the play button, music will be played, and using the volume bar, you can increase or decrease the volume. You can use autoplay to play the audio automatically when the page is loaded. Hope you all could able to add an audio file to your web page. Now, let's move to the HTML video tag. Similar to the audio tag, the video tag enables us to embed video content seamlessly. The syntax is video and slash video. It is a paired tag. This tag allows us to embed video content directly into our web pages. Following attributes can be included. We can define the video source using the source attribute and utilize attributes such as controls, autoplay, loop, width, and height to customize the video player appearance and behavior. Example video src equal to file name, controls, autoplay. MP4, WebM, OGG formats are supported in the Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera browsers. Let's see an example. Open the file and in the body tag, add video tag. Now in the src attribute, add the src attribute with video file as the value. Controls to have controls added, specify width and height. Save your file and run the file on the browser. You can see our video file in the is in the window of specified width height. An icon with a play button is added. If you click on the play button, the video will be played and using the volume bar, you can increase or decrease the volume. Similarly, you can use autoplay to play the video automatically when the page is. Hope you all could able to add video files to your web page. HTML audio and video tags provide powerful tools for incorporating multimedia content into web pages. By understanding their features and attributes, you can create immersive and engaging experiences for your website visitors. Experiment with the different options. And that concludes our dive into HTML essentials from the basics of tags and attributes to the details of form elements like input type equal to submit and to multimedia elements. Remember, HTML is the backbone of the web. It's the language that structures the content you will see and interact with every day. We have covered a lot, but our journey doesn't end here. HTML is just the beginning. There is still so much to learn from CSS for styling to JavaScript for interactivity. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep building. The more you practice, the more proficient you will become. Thank you for registering to this course. I will see you in the next module. Until then, keep coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.